In this quick video, I want to show you how to do a full factory reset on any Omron blood pressure monitor. And it doesn't matter what model that you have, and it doesn't matter if it's solely battery powered like this, or if it's battery powered and it has a power cord that you can connect. All right, so the first thing I want you to do is turn it on, and so there's two ways to do it. So what you want to do is you're going to have either button that says menu, or it'll look like this, like a little page with a pin on it. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the menu button firmly, and then you're going to hold down the stop start button, and you're going to hold that down for about 5 seconds, and that you should see a blinking light that will do a reset. Now, if you don't have a menu button, or this does not reset it for you, the only thing you have to do is go ahead and remove the batteries, and you want to, if it is one that powers to a power adapter, you can unplug it and then remove this portion, the cuff, off, and we're going to keep that unplugged. We're going to keep that unplugged for a good 10 minutes, and then sometime while it's unplugged, what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the stop start button. Remember, there's no batteries in it, everything's detached, power cord's detached. You hold down the stop start button for about 10 seconds, let go, and then of course plug everything back in, and that should do it. Alright, let me know, this is a 3 series Omron, but let me know in the comment section what model that you have, because there's dozens and dozens of models. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.